Good morning, dudes and dudesses. So, gonna go through a quick procedure, which is how to check your auto trans fluid. My particular car, Range Rover P38, 1996, 4.6 V8, just done an engine swap. It's running really well, but we lost some trans fluid. She's a bit sluggish. Checked it when I got home last night. Yeah, she's a bit low. So, a lot of conjecture out there. Should it be hot? Should it be cold? Should it be in park? Should it be in neutral? So I'm going to show you the right way to do it for this particular engine. So first things first, it has to be cold. So cold box, cold engine. And the procedure is as follows. So fire it up as cold. It has to be cold. And then you go all the way back to first, foot on the brake, very important, keep your foot on the brake. So into first, into second, release, into third, release, and drive. I missed third there, so back to third, into drive, into neutral, into reverse, into park. That's it, foot off the brake, in park, not neutral. Then we come around. It's difficult to do, but I'm going to try and do it while I'm holding this. And this one back here, that's your auto trans checking point. Slide that out. Give it a light. Tricky one-handed. Very tricky one-handed. Bear with me. Sorry about the video, but I'm showing you something. And then back in the slot, all the way down. So it has to go all the way past till it clips into place. Then it's back out and you check. And mine, nada. Back in. And this is important. This is important. Turn it straight off. And that's very low. So I'm going to use one of these, which I picked up from local car park store. They're dirt cheap. It's a little pump, excellent thing because the auto trans filling tube are very small. So rather than trying to funnel it in and sit in there for half an hour twiddling my thumbs, I got one of them. So I'm going to fill that up with normal ATF auto trans fluid, the red stuff that you can see in the tube still, and put 1 litre in it and check it again. I'll be back. So this is how I set it up. I've got that bottle sitting down there nicely because you've got to be able to pump it up. So it's good to just set it down somewhere because trying to do it two-handed while you're watching everything is hard. The hook, so the tube from the bottle goes all the way down there, around there, up there, and it's got a little hook for the pipe, and that just hooks down into there. It won't go anywhere, just leave that there. And then, yeah, start pumping. I've got 1 litre in here. It does take a while, so I'll come back and I'll show you how we then check again. I'll be back in a bit. I've put 500 ml of ATF in the box now, and same procedure. So fire it up. Don't let it get warm. Foot on the brake, and all the way back to first. Then second. Then third. Then drive. What you're doing here is filling all the galleries and the valleys and the oilways in the transmission. So every gear in park, foot off the brake, and back out. Check it again. You're trying really hard not to get it hot because it changes the reading when the engine is hot. So again, that's 500 ml I put in. So all the way back down till it